What is the pH of 12.5% sodium hydroxide solution? pH of 12.5% sodium hydroxide solution. Let us try to find out. pH of 12.5% sodium hydroxide solution. 12.5% sodium hydroxide solution. First of all, this concentration has to be converted to molarity. That is in mole per liter. What does it mean? It means 100 milliliter solution contains 12.5 gram sodium hydroxide. Then 1000 milliliter solution contains 12.5 times 1000 divided by 100. This is equal to 125 gram sodium hydroxide. We know sodium hydroxide is equal to 40 gram per mole. Then concentration of sodium hydroxide solution in molarity. It will be 125 divided by 40. This is 3.125 mole. 3.125 mole per liter. Concentration of sodium hydroxide solution in molarity. This is 3.125 mole per liter. Now, sodium hydroxide is a kind of strong electrolyte. It ionizes in water fully 100%. Then 3.125 moles. This is 3.125 moles. This is also 3.125 moles. That is, concentration of hydroxide ion is this 3.125 mole per liter. Concentration of hydroxide ion in the solution. We know POH is equal to minus log of concentration of hydroxide ion minus log of what is the concentration of hydroxide ion? This 3.125. This is equal to approximately minus 0.4949. This is POH. We know pH plus POH is equal to 14. Then what is pH? 14 minus 0.4949. This is equal to 14 plus 0.49. 4949, that is 14.4949. This is pOH, approximately this 14.50. pH of 12.5% sodium hydroxide solution is 14.50. Thank you for watching.